In this video, I am going to show you how you can make up to $3,000 per week by promoting a specific affiliate program from Skillshare. As you can see in my screen, you can earn up to $67 for every new customer you refer to Skillshare. And I'm going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process, what you need to do to make good amount of money online with Skillshare. First thing you need to do is type Skillshare affiliate, and then whatever link comes at the top, just click on it and you will be able to visit to this kind of interface, and you can just click on join for free to become a Skillshare affiliate. Once you become the affiliate of Skillshare, then you can simply type for the classes at here, or you can simply browse the classes that are available inside Skillshare. So you can just click on any class that you want to promote as an affiliate, and then just scroll below and click on this share, and you will see share this class on cash. Invite new student to 1 free month of Skillshare on 60% of their revenue. Now just click on this link and you'll get your own affiliate link that you can promote to get new customers to Skillshare. Once you have got your own affiliate link, then you can simply visit to herculist.com, herculist.com, and this is a site which will give you access to their email database, and you can literally send free email to thousands of people daily for absolutely free. You can simply visit to herculist.com and click on this sign up and simply fill out some form and confirm your email address, and you will get instant access to Hercules and be able to send email to thousands of people absolutely for free. Once you create your account on Hercules, and if you want to learn how exactly you can send emails to all the thousand people that are inside this Hercules, then I would suggest you to watch this video. I'll give the link of this video in the description of this YouTube video. You can click on it and watch it. Okay, now we'll talk about another traffic source, okay, that is also free, and this traffic source is called Simple Traffic. You can literally get 2,500 free visitors if you get 5-day free trial. Okay, you don't need to pay anything for this. You can simply visit to simpletraffic.co and you will be able to get 2,500 free visitors. Now, yes, if you want to learn how to run Simple Traffic, then I'm not going to show you in this video, but instead I'm going to give a video link in the description of this YouTube video. You can check on it, and I have shown everything in a step-by-step process on how you can get these free visitors to your affiliate link by using simpletraffic.co. And if you want to take everything to the next level, then what you can also do is you can post your ad on classifiedads.com. so these are some of the place where you can post an ad for absolutely free and promote your affiliate link. Okay, and similarly, what you can also do is you can simply type in Google free classified ads list, and you'll see lots of classified ad site where you can post ad for absolutely free. Okay, you don't need to pay anything. And if you need some tutorial in regard of this kind of classified ad, and then I will also give the link for this kind of tutorial in the description of this video. So basically, you can simply click on this post an ad for free, and you even don't need to create any account on this kind of classified ad sites. Okay, most of them allow you to post an ad for free without even creating your own account. So friends, altogether this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this video added some value to your life, and if it did, then please do like this video, and if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe.